Hi everybody, I'm Jeff Heitman. I'm testing MotoMaster Eliminator 2000 watt inverter that my mom is supposed to test, but I'm a little more technologically minded than my mother, so I'll do this for her. So I'm just unpacking everything. We have all the cables, the negative cable, we got the cable for the switch, the remote switch, the positive cable, and of course the 2000 watt inverter. And that's everything. Instructions, everything you need to know about how to hook this up is right here in the instruction booklet. Now I'm just going to pause this, so I'm going to unhook the old inverter that we have that's not MotoMaster in the shed for our cabin, and then we'll start again. So here's our setup. I have 4 6-volt batteries. They're wired in series and parallel. When the batteries are low, we have a gas generator and a MotoMaster battery charger to charge the batteries up on the days that aren't so sunny. So I have my inverter here, and the wires are all ready up here. So now I'm just going to connect everything together. So on the back of the inverter, I'm just going to connect the positive cables. Now the negative to the negative terminal. So now my MotoMaster inverter is all set to go. So what we have done is we have this plug that runs into a panel into the cabin, and so it either plugs into our generator, and just to be safe, we have installed a plug on the wall with a regular cord that plugs into our inverter. So I'm just going to plug this in. This will send power into the cabin. And now I will plug the outlet into the inverter. That. And we just, another safety thing I put in is a battery switch, negative battery switch, so we can shut off all power. And there we have it. That turns it off. You can see we have 12 volts. And now I will turn the switch, and we have light. So the new MotoMaster 2000 watt inverter is working awesome. Thank you very much, Canadian Tire. This will come in handy at our remote cabin. So here's our cabin. We're on Manitoulin Island. We're totally off grid. And at the back here we have 2 100 watt solar panels that charges that battery bank. So thank you very much, Canadian Tire. I hope you enjoyed this video.